Welcome to our channel. Today we how to update your Amazon seller shipping settings, store management step by step clearly. Log into Seller Central with the account that owns the store you want to edit. From the top left menu, open Settings to access account configuration options. Click Shipping Settings to enter the area where delivery templates and rates are managed. Check the marketplace at the top and confirm you are editing the correct country or region. Review your current shipping templates list so you understand what is already active. Click Create New Shipping Template if you want a fresh setup, or choose Edit on an existing template. Give the template a clear name like Standard Shipping US or Prime Excluded Rates. Select the fulfillment method and make sure it matches your plan, such as Merchant Fulfilled for FBM. Choose the shipping regions you want to serve and remove any areas you cannot deliver to. Add shipping options like standard, expedited, or 2-day depending on what you can reliably ship. For each option, set the transit time and handling time to realistic values to avoid late shipment metrics. Decide how you will charge shipping, such as per order, per item, or weight-based. Enter your shipping rates carefully and double-check the currency is correct for the marketplace. If you offer free shipping, set the rate to 0 and confirm it applies only to the correct option. Set order handling time and cutoff time based on your daily packing schedule. Enable weekend handling only if you truly process and hand off packages on weekends. Add shipping restrictions if certain products cannot ship to specific locations or require special services. If you use shipping automation, check whether Amazon's by shipping or carrier settings affect your rates. Open the default shipping address settings and confirm your ship from address is accurate. Update return address settings if you ship from one location but receive returns at another. Save the template and wait for the confirmation message that changes were applied. Assign the template to your listings by opening Manage All Inventory in the main menu. Select the products you want to update and choose Edit Shipping Template in Bulk Actions. Pick the correct template from the drop-down and apply the change to the selected listings. Open one product detail page in Seller Central to verify the correct shipping option is attached. Test the buyer experience by checking the offer on Amazon and reviewing the displayed delivery estimate. If delivery estimates look wrong, go back to shipping settings and adjust transit or handling times. Repeat the same process for other marketplaces if you sell internationally, because templates are marketplace specific. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.